I'm Emily.
And I'm Maddie.
And we're bringing you another awesome episode of PNN.
In this episode, we will see some electives,
check in on our colleges,
and have some fun with cooking chaos.
This is one of the first episodes created in the new trimester.
When a new trimester begins, students get a chance to change their electives.
I wonder what new electives there are for this trimester, and what electives stay the same.
Let's take a look at them with Noah.
I'm here with Ella and Margaret from Aftercare Work Experience. What is y'all's favorite part about being in your elective?
Muffins. My favorite part is hanging out with them when they're going insane outside, but we also just get to have a lot of fun.
Next one. Now I'm here with Rena from Work Experience. What's your favorite part about your elective?
I love just getting to walk around and dropping off stuff to teachers. It's a really fun way to learn about work experience, and there's a lot of freedom in it.
What is something special or fun about your elective?
Something special is I get to hang out with Mr. Gabriel over here. Say hi. I also get some cool experience, and I get to learn about how to work front desk, and I get to sit in this really cool roller chair.
Now we're here with Anand from Historical Conspiracies. What is your favorite part about your elective?
Learning about the different conspiracies throughout history, and
What is something special and fun about your elective?
well, we just did a cool project about old conspiracy.
Nice. I'm here with Max and Elijah from Video Game Design. What is y'all's favorite part about being in your elective?
I like that I'm able to direct my group and the problem solving of coding.
I like how creative I can be with the world and what we're building. And I also like to command other people, even though no one in my group listens.
I'm here with Omar,
Aye.
Emmett, and Jack from Dramatic Interpretation. What is y'all's favorite part about being in your elective?
I think, yeah. What's your favorite part? My favorite part is probably when we do all the acting. That's a good one. I like the dramatic interpretation factor of it. Hold on, I have a question for you. What's your favorite part about PNN?
I like being on camera. I'm here with Malcolm and Fielder from Gardening. What is y'all's favorite part about being in gardening?
My favorite part about being in gardening is it's very meditative and chill.
Plants.
Plants. Okay, what is something special or fun about being in your elective?
It's fun just watering and caring for all of the plants.
More plants.
Thank you. What is something special about being in your elective?
I think it's a special elective because, like, in most other electives, like PNN, y'all are filming stuff, y'all are, like, being social, but in health class, we're still able to be social, but at the same time, it's, like, more mature topics that, again, for legal reasons, we cannot say here.
Yeah, I agree with Bryden, but I also think
You can't say that.
Those electives look really fun, but I'm biased, and I think PNN's the best.
We don't have to make it a competition, but on the same topic, we've had a lot of college competition recently.
Alabama's doing really well, just saying.
Ugh, whatever. Anyways, let's take a look at the college update to Vaughn and Patrick.
I'm here with Miss Light from Notre Dame. What college competition do you think you're the best at?
I'm pretty sure we're in last place, so I'm not sure we're the best at anything.
I thought you were in first place.
Then I guess we're the best at everything.
Probably the airplane one. The toilet paper.
The toilet paper contest. I'm here with Izzy and Barrett from Bemidji. What college competition do you think you're the best at?
Fall Fest.
Do you agree?
Fall Fest.
You know, to tell you the truth, I think we're good at all competition. The points might not show it, but I think our favorite one is probably dress up day.
probably Fall Fest.
Oh, I think we're best at, let's see, costume contest.
Currently, every single one of them.
So
I think the first one that we did a really good job at was the shields, which unfortunately was no longer a contest. But I think we designed a very nice shield. Coach Matt and the team came up with a really good idea. But then it was overall disqualified as a contest.
I'm here with Miss Bear from Florida. What college competition do you think you're best at?
I think Florida is really good at just showing up. We really do a great job of dressing up on dress-up days and contributing to the philanthropy when it's time to step up for our community.
Definitely the athletics portion of Fall Fest, as well as the paper airplane contest.
Definitely the best at Fall Fest because we're a very athletic college.
I think we're really good at Fall Fest. Would you agree?
Except for Bocce Bowl.
Yeah, that's true.
The splash contest.
Definitely Fall Fest because the academics, we won all of them.
So Houston and A&M and Wake Forest was only good at Fall Fest, and then we just go downhill.
Colleges and electives are important to be updated about, but I'm really excited for this last segment.
I think it's going to be really fun.
And chaotic.
This is actually going to be a 5-person segment.
Now let's tune in to Cooking Chaos with Rosie, Tenley, Orly, Vaughn, and Patrick.
Hey Knights!
Welcome to Cooking Chaos.
I'm Tenley. I'm Rosie. I'm Orly.
I'm Vaughn!
And that's Vaughn. And today we're making a chocolate and vanilla cake swirl.
Let's get started.
Our cake is almost done. We just have to decorate it first. Yeah, it looks burnt, but it's chocolate. Come on, guys. That's our cake so far. Hey guys, so this is the end of our cake. It has lots of frosting colors.
This is, it's a lava cake actually.
Wow, that was definitely something and very chaotic. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave a review, like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
Oh, I almost forgot.
What?
Remember to work hard.
Oh, play hard.
And be kind.
Bye.
Being in your elective.
Mom-made muffin. Can you like put the muffin down like I can finish?
No.
Like, eat first and then
Okay,
then
yes.
don't put it in your.
I'm at 63. I'm also at 63.
I'm doing. So here are our eggs. For some reason there's 6. We only need 4. No, we need 6. No, yeah, we need 6 because we need for the other. Can I do one?
Okay, that was actually.
Okay.
That was good.
One. I think I got
get
the other one.
Wait, are we
Hey,
Wait,
Megan.
are we
Did
putting
you just
them
put that
all
one?
in this one?
No, we're putting 4 in.
You're terrible.
4 in this.
No!
We're in a little bit of a sticky.
Today we're gonna be having
No, why
eggshell
do
stew.
Wait, how many?
We need 4 in one. 4 in this one.
Okay, you've already done. Wait,
That's
no,
four
we
now.
haven't.
I'm sorry.
We have,
So we need to wash our hands.
Oh.
Tenley cracked the egg, and I tried to pick it up.
The eggs next.
Oh my god! This ain't coming off.
We're so bad at this. This is
So
gonna.
I thought
It's still filming.
Patrick, look at the ground. That's not my fault. I didn't even. I thought they would go in the bowl.
Oh my god.
Okay, next thing.